So this is going to be the second video for Notes 38. This is probably be all of problem part 4 here. And this is all about simplifying radical expressions. So you are going to factor some more. And when you're sick of factoring, keep factoring until you can't factor anything else. And then look to see what you can cancel. So in problem number 4, part A, I'm going to look to factor out the numerator. So we've got 2x minus 8. GCF here is 2. So x minus 4 is left over. Denominator of 2. Conveniently, 2 and 2 are both factors. We can cancel them out, and what is left is simply x minus 4. That is the answer to part A. I'm going to slide on over part B. I'm going to factor and factor. So let's see, numerator, x squared minus 4 is going to be x minus 2x plus 2. The denominator here of x plus 2 cannot be factored, so we're just going to leave it x plus 2. So let's see, factor of x plus 2, we'll take out the factor of x plus 2. So the only thing that's going to remain here is x minus 2 from the numerator. So that one's all done. All right. And then let's slide on over to part C here. So part C, we have a fraction times a fraction. So we're going to factor the numerator, factor the denominator, factor the numerator, factor the denominator, and go to town then and see what we can cancel out. So factors, let's see, for the numerator here, x minus 3x plus 2. So you're looking again, multiply to negative 6, add up to negative 1. So that works. Denominator is a difference of perfect squares, so x plus 2, x minus 2. The order that you write your factors will never matter. All right, let's see about the next one. So I'm looking to multiply to 8 and add up to 6, so x plus 4x plus 2. And last but not least, we've got x squared minus 9, which would be, let's see, x plus 3, x minus 3. All right. Let me take a quick second here, double check everything. Yep, okay, all is well. So now I'm going to look to see, I have a factor of x minus 3. I have a factor of x minus 3, so I can get rid of that. All right, so those will divide each other out. I have a factor of x plus 2. I can take out a factor of x plus 2. So those can go. And as long as your factors, one has to be in the numerator, one has to be in the denominator. That is the only requirement that you have. And I suppose I should also say the factors have to match. So x plus 4 won't take out either of those. Excuse me. And when we talk about factors matching, so we've got an x plus 2 here. I have an x minus 2, but those aren't the same thing. So for this particular problem, I'm just going to write down now what's left over because nothing else can cancel. So I have x plus 4 times x plus 2 all over x minus 2 times x plus 3. Now for this particular problem, you do need to keep those parentheses sets because we're still showing that those factors are being multiplied together, but you do not actually need to multiply them out. All right, so that's all the bits, parts, and pieces for question number 4, A, B, and C there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the video. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please do let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.